Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to blend two images in Canva. So if you have two images and you want to somehow blend into one image, then I'll show you how it can be done on Canva. So simply go to a browser and search for Canva, and then you will get the first link, click onto it, log in or sign up using your email address. You will be onto this page. So if you have any specific aspect ratio, you can go with it. Otherwise, you can get to the custom size and paste your aspect ratios. I'm going with the landscape aspect ratios because it gives you more space to blend images. Otherwise, you can choose any aspect ratio. After that, your canvas will be there. Now you just have to simply get those images that you want to blend in. You can simply upload the images. In my case, I'm just going to use the images from the elements. So this is the first image. If you also paste your image and it's bigger than the canvas, so you just have to simply crop it and set it according to the page size. And this is the second image that I'm gonna blend in. So the same way, you just have to simply set and crop it to the same as the page size. Here I have moved the image to the right because my object is in the middle and I want it to be right so I can blend in with the image, but you don't have to do it if your object is not like that. Now simply go to the first image and then you have to go to the elements. There you have to search for white shadow, or you can also search for gradient. So some sort of shadow or gradient is required. If you have the premium account, then you can use any other option. I have this one free, so I have used it. Now once you have your shadow, what you have to do is you have to simply flip it to the side where you want to blend in. I want it from the right side, so what I have to do is I have to increase its sides to the bigger one, and you can see the blend is not very much. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do multiple copies of it and paste it on top of each and make it look like it's only one blend, not too many. So as you can see, this is the blend I have created. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to select all of these shadows that I have added, grouping them, copy it, and then paste it onto the second image. Now I want the blend from the left side, so here I have to flip it and paste it like this. So you have to also do it. Now what you have to do is you have to simply save these image separately, like download into your system. Later on upload it again on the Canva, and then I'll show you how you can blend in. So I have uploaded both of these images. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste one of these like this and then paste the second image on top of it and set it to the size of the page. Now what you have to do is the second image that you have to select, you have to decrease its opacity. You can keep it below 50 or 50 and again download it. And once you have downloaded, then you have to again upload it onto the Canva and use it on another canvas. Once the image gets uploaded, paste it like this and make it to the size of the page. Now you will see this edit option on the page. Click onto it and you will see the option for adjust. Now you have to do some color grading. You have to increase or decrease some of these options. You can simply go with the brightness, you can go with the contrast and other options. You can increase its brightness, but you can decrease its contrast and other option just to make it look more visible. Every image may have different gradient options based on what colors it has, so you just have to simply play with this option until you get the right opacity or the color that you want. Once you have it, then you can just simply save it, and that's how you will be able to blend in two images into one using Canva. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.